Hi, ma'am. My name is Lauren D, and I like an equipment. Okay, just checking and checking. Just go to room 21. Sure. Yes. Welcome to room 21. Just go sit down there. Okay. Towels are in there. Oh, thanks. Yeah, pal. You like your refreshments? No. I eat now. Now just you need a little pink hair, right? Right. This is the best spa salon. If only it's the best spa salon ever. Okay. Go to room 22. Okay. No one's here. Oh, yes. Waiting for a customer. Let's go wash your hair. What do you like? Sparkles, pink hair, little pink hair, and shine, smooth, silky, and white body. Okay, there on the machine. Let's just wash your hair. Oh, there. There's some shampoo. Let's have your blower. Okay. Just tap on the machine. Okay. Oh. You're about there in 10 minutes. Okay. Good. Done yet? Oh. No, she's about there in 10 minutes. For sure. I don't know what's happening to your customer. I think she's having fun there, but I don't think yet. And Miss Pajamas, I think she's already done. Okay. Oh. Wow. Do I look beautiful? Yes, you do. I'll keep it on. Open your eyes and 3, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, I look fabulous. Oh, thank. I love my eyes, the sparkles, my body, my dress. Thank you. I think you're gonna pay now. Okay. Ready payment? Yes, I am. Okay. The total is $352. I'll give you this credit card and allow $16. Okay. And here's your change. 7 and 15 cents. Okay, just get the free. Just get a free things. Can I get them all? For sure. Just put it in and leave.